Ever wondered who's behind the magic of Lunar Client, that sleek and powerful Minecraft launcher that takes your gameplay to the next level? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep to uncover the mastermind, the mysterious figure who brought Lunar Client to life. Lunar Client has revolutionized the Minecraft experience for thousands, offering features like customizability, performance boosts, and a vibrant community. But who are the brains behind this incredible tool? Is it a lone wolf coder working tirelessly in a dimly lit room? A massive corporation with a team of developers? Or something else entirely? The truth is, the ownership of Lunar Client remains shrouded in a bit of mystery. The developers have intentionally kept their identities relatively private. This has led to a lot of speculation and rumors swirling around the internet. Some believe it's a small, tightly knit group of passionate developers, while others suspect a larger, more secretive organization. Why the secrecy? Well, there could be a few reasons. Firstly, maintaining a degree of anonymity can help protect the developers from potential harassment or doxing attempts. Secondly, it allows them to focus on development without the distractions of fame and public scrutiny. And finally, it adds a touch of intrigue, making Lunar Client even more mysterious and appealing to its user base. The community's role. Despite the lack of official information, the Lunar Client community plays a vital role in its ongoing development. User feedback, bug reports, and suggestions are constantly being incorporated into updates, shaping the future of the launcher. This community-driven approach has been a key factor in Lunar Client's success. The importance of transparency. While maintaining privacy is understandable, a certain level of transparency is always appreciated. Knowing more about the team behind a project can build trust and foster a stronger connection with the community. Perhaps in the future, the Lunar Client developers will choose to share more about themselves and their journey. So, who owns Lunar Client? The answer, for now, remains a bit of a mystery. But one thing is certain, Lunar Client has undeniably made a significant impact on the Minecraft community, and its developers deserve recognition for their hard work and dedication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.